So this is interesting, right? Detroit, Kansas City, Chicago, Washington, D.C. These are places where very little supply was being built when everything was going crazy. So, yeah, now you see actually some really strong rent growth there, which is super interesting. But what I will say is, I think if someone's looking at this chart and they think, oh, yeah, now's the time to buy in Detroit, probably not. It probably was actually a few years ago, if at all, if ever, because no one was betting on this rent growth and then it appeared. Now this is in the
Price in the
print, right?
market.
It's priced
Yeah.
in, it's knowable, it's there, you're too late, right? So if anything, now's the time to be looking in Austin, San Antonio, because those
Phoenix.
places are being hurt, and then you're going to be able to catch it on the upswing to the extent you're comfortable and have the capabilities to catch a falling knife, because there's the realities of buying, which are very different than just thinking, oh, well, now's a good time. It's like, well, actually stare at the spreadsheet, look at the negative leverage, and really get comfortable with the thesis. And that's a lot harder to do. The highlighted city right in the middle, which has flat rent growth, is Houston, which is something that we've been harping on a ton. And there's the proof right there in the hard data. And rent growth is an encapsulation of not just demand and not just supply. It's everything. It's all together, and which is the most important thing, right? Like, I don't care how much supply is hitting the market. What I care is that supply overwhelming the demand, right? Because there's always been a lot of supply happening in Austin. People have been building like crazy in Dallas, but Dallas has just continually absorbed it and chugged along and just kept growing and growing. Only until now, where things have really slowed down, is where you're seeing the supply overwhelm the demand. So this is just the truest picture of what's happening. And yeah, it kind of also shows you the timeline of things.